Hello everybody, this next unboxing actually is one that I'm completely caught up on now. It actually came out last Tuesday, but I did pick it up. I had a $7 off coupon, and it was on sale for $27.99, so I actually got this for basically 20 bucks, and I got Wreck-It Ralph. This is the Blu-ray 3D, DVD, and digital copy Ultimate Collector's Edition combo pack. It is now at Best Buy for $34.99. Coupon is no longer valid. Haven't seen this one, but I've actually heard really good things from a lot of people about this. And as you can see, this is a lenticular cover. Here's the side, the other side, and the back. Thing is pretty much loaded with features. I hope you can see those. I'm going to hold it up for just a second, and then we're going to come down slowly so you can see those features. I hope. We're going to try one more time. Usually if I hold it up, then I slowly pan down. We'll see if I can get it to work in just a moment. It doesn't look like it's actually working. So we'll go ahead and take the slip cover off and show you the front of the actual case, the side, and they put a big sticker on here, so I'll actually take it out. When I take it out of the plastic, I'll do this again. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out of the plastic, so maybe the features can come in clearly. There we go, out of the plastic once again. The front, the side, and the back. Now you should be, if I hold it up here and slowly come down, I think I'm just gonna, there you go, got it to work. There's the features for you. I'm sorry it took so long, but sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. But there you go, there's your features. When you open it up, the first thing you get is your Disney Movie Reward points. And on the back, they do have a sweepstakes on that website going on right now. Open it up, and you can get the soundtrack for $5.25 when you enter your magic code on the Disney Rewards website. There's some information about that, as well as how you get your digital copy. The next thing you get is a little booklet showing off the new film Planes coming soon. You can get the Wreck-It Ralph video game, and then you can also get a GameFly trial. If you go to that website. More Wreck-It Ralph stuff from Thinkway Toys, and a new Buddies movie coming out called Super Buddies. Mulan, the 15th anniversary collection. It has Mulan 1 and 2. That is available right now if you're interested in that. And then the Little Mermaid 3D. It does say coming this fall. I know that that is in fact coming in October, but I don't remember when. Adventures by Disney is the next thing. And then you can download your official free Radio Disney app. you can join the movie club. You can get 5 Disney movies for $1 each, or 99 cents each. And you can enter that promotional code. I believe that's how you get the 99 cents each. And an advertisement for Once Upon a Time on ABC. And then a Wreck-It Ralph actual book app as well. Now here comes the part that I don't really like that Disney has now started to do. Let me fix the... There we go. They have started stacking their discs. So over here you're going to get the 3D copy of Wreck-It Ralph for Blu-ray, and over here is your 2D copy of Wreck-It Ralph. Behind or under that is your digital copy for Wreck-It Ralph. They actually went back to the really, really nice yellow and not the blinding yellow for this film. And then underneath your actual 2D Blu-ray is where you're going to find the DVD. I don't like that they do that. I do wish that they would get the packaging with the four actual disc holders. I like that quite a bit more. But that is it for the unboxing of the Ultimate Collector's Edition of Wreck-It Ralph. Have not seen this film yet, but I have heard great things about it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you've picked this film up and have yet to watch it, I hope you enjoy it. I actually hope I enjoy it. And I will see you guys in just a few moments for the next unboxing that I have.